Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Tucker, Product Manager for the Personal Productivity Group here at GitLab. We're going to review our plans for the 17.3 milestone today. Our team is focused on two core themes for this release, iterating on the notification list designs based on recent solution validation, and preparing to start development on some notification improvements. On the design side of things, we recently completed our first round of solution validation, last milestone. Our designs for a new notification center generally performed really well. Overall, people thought what they saw would be an improvement to their experience. In particular, they liked the ability to snooze, filter, sort, and preview notifications. They also appreciated the ability to create tasks and action items from notifications. More research may be needed on grouping, which preview is more useful, and how to present tasks and action items as separate from notifications. So our team is looking at some iterations and some details on the design for this milestone. In particular, we're focusing on the aspects that we mentioned needed more iterations, so things like grouping UX and the details about previewing and notification as well. On the build side, the personal productivity engineering team will be continuing to support our AI framework and design system teams in this coming milestone, as well as making some small iterative improvements to the nav and settings UX. We're also going to start ramping up on the notifications and to-dos code base to support our upcoming work to introduce the designs that we have been exploring. In 17.2, we shipped the ability to search for project settings. This allows a project owner to jump to the setting that they need, even if they're not sure where it lives within the settings IA. For a quick demonstration here, you can click the search or go to, type the greater than symbol to enter command mode, and search for something like branch, and you can see all of the settings pages that we have access to. We can jump quickly there, for example, branch defaults, and we'll jump straight to that page within settings. During this milestone, we're extending this behavior to include group settings, so continuing to support those administrator roles as they look to manage their GitLab installations at scale. Next up, the GitLab side nav shows flyout menus when you hover over a category, allowing quick access to the child pages. Moving the mouse over a flyout menu removes the hover state from the category, though, which can leave users uncertain about which category the menu is associated with. So for example here, if I hover over code, go to repository, the hover over code has disappeared. We're improving the hover state here to ensure the category remains highlighted when perusing the flyout options, improving the connection between categories and pages. This will aid learnability for new GitLab users. Last up, the personal productivity group just took ownership of the notifications category only a couple of months ago, and the engineering team still needs time to learn the ins and outs of this existing system to ensure we're prepared to improve upon it next quarter. The team will start doing that technical research in this milestone. So that wraps our plans for 17.3. As always, we want to hear your feedback, so if you'd like to chat, please reach out.